tall green tree by the sunny sea lived a little parrot, bright as can be. Flap, flap, flap went his tiny wings. He dreamed big dreams and happy things. Brave, brave parrot, flap your wings. You can do amazing things. Sing out loud, fly up high. Brave little parrot, touch the sky. He felt a bit scared, but that's okay. Being brave means try anyway. One small hop, then one big glide. Look at me, he chirped with pride.